In this video we're giving an honest review of F2Pool, one of the largest and most established cryptocurrency mining pools. Founded in 2013, F2Pool supports over 40 proof-of-work networks, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Monero. With a global presence and a hash rate of around 102 EH/s, it provides miners with a reliable platform for consistent earnings. F2Pool offers multi-currency support, transparent operations with published hash rate and revenue data, daily payouts once thresholds are reached, and advanced tools like a profitability calculator and a mobile app for monitoring mining activity. However, some users report slow customer support, and the pool's large share of network hash rate raises centralization concerns, which may impact blockchain decentralization. Overall, F2Pool is a solid option for miners seeking a reliable and transparent platform with multi-currency support and advanced tools, but it's important to consider customer support and centralization risks when choosing a mining pool. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.